when you come to
yeah. Have you done it before then, you drove? Yeah. Oh, yeah. You missed it. You like it?
Oh, yeah.
Now we land. That's a long countdown. Closed before you're going to go.
I want to turn up somewhere.
Yeah. You got any network? Mine's still set.
Mine is clever, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, that's why. Now it should work.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Stuttgart. The local time is 5 minutes to 9. Please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete and final stop and the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt sign. In the meantime, the cabin crew will be released from their seats to perform safety-related duties. However, once again, the seatbelt sign will still be on. All passengers must remain seated at this time. All of your devices for messaging, calls and internet access may now be used. Just a quiet reminder, smoking is still not permitted until you've reached designated smoking area, which is usually right outside the front of the terminal building. Before leaving us today, please take one final check for all of your personal belongings, checking in the seat pockets, underneath the seats and arranging in the overhead lockers. Please do take care when opening the lockers in case anything has moved and could fall out. Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of the captain, myself, the entire onboard crew, it has been a pleasure being of service to